Hey, this is Mike from Style Flip. Today we're going to showcase the Akai MPD218 customizable skins available at styleflip.com. Create your design right on our website. Change the colors, add the manufacturer default text, select the color of the text. We ship you what you create. The skins can be created right on our site and shipped right to your front door. We ship worldwide. The skins are easy to install, will not damage your product, will last the life of the unit. It acts as a protective layer. We ship you what you create. Check us out at styleflip.com. This is the Akai MPD218. I want to get a close-up of the text layer here and also show the really fine print as well. It's hard to zoom in on that, but I want to show the quality of the small text as well. There you go. So that's a camera issue, but the text is clear, even the small ones. Thanks again.